Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a practical and essential tech accessory, the SamData 32GB USB flash drives. These thumb drives are making waves in the market for their reliability, affordability, and of course, their vibrant colors. Stick around as we explore what makes these USB drives a must-have for your digital storage needs. To kick things off, let's talk about why these SamData flash drives stand out. They come in a pack of 5, each sporting a distinct color: black, blue, green, red, and silver, perfect for organizing your files or simply adding a splash of personality to your workspace. At just over $3 per drive with the current deal, they're incredibly budget-friendly without compromising on quality. Technically speaking, these are USB 2.0 drives, which means they offer reliable data transfer speeds suitable for everyday use. With a read speed of 18 megabytes per second, you can quickly access your files whether you're transferring documents, photos, or even videos. One of the standout features here is the plug-and-play functionality. No need for complicated software installations, simply plug these drives into your computer's USB port, and you're good to go. The 360-degree rotating metal clip ensures durability and convenience, while the capless design prevents you from ever losing that pesky cap. Wondering if these will work with your devices? Fear not. They're compatible with a wide range of operating systems including Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and more. Whether you're using an older system or the latest tech, these USB drives will have you covered. Now, let's talk practicality. These drives are ideal for storing a variety of digital content, from important documents for work or school to your favorite music playlists and photos. They're versatile enough to handle whatever you throw at them, making them perfect for both personal and professional use. Taking a closer look at the build quality, the SamData drives combine an ABS plastic body with a robust metal clip. This not only enhances durability but also gives them a sleek and modern look. Plus, the LED indicator lets you know at a glance when data is being transferred, a small detail that adds to the overall user experience. If you encounter any issues within that time frame, you're covered. It's always reassuring to know that the company is committed to customer satisfaction. In conclusion, if you're in the market for reliable, affordable, and stylish USB flash drives, look no further than the SamData 32GB USB flash drives. They offer everything you need, from ease of use and compatibility to robust build quality and a variety of colors to choose from. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who likes to stay organized, these thumb drives are an excellent choice. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.